Okay guys, so I'm just gonna get right into this video because I'm not that good at doing intros. So I'm just gonna tell you guys that I got some products from this natural skincare line called Apsara. I think that's the right way to pronounce it. And I got 2 items, so I'm just gonna unbox it right now. Okay, so the first product that I have is the papaya and sugar face mask, and this is what the packaging looks like. So I haven't even like opened it. I'll go ahead and open it now. Let's see what it looks like. Ew. Oh, it's got another layer. Ah! Wow. Oh, it smells good. Is my face dusty now? Okay, we're good. All right, so I don't know if you can see this, but so it is a clay mask. So we'll see. All right, maybe I shouldn't have opened it just yet. Well, I guess that's gonna happen on or off the camera. We're just gonna leave that in there. Where's my assistant? Update, Mom, that's you. I need you to go get this. You don't have to. Just need to grab it. Okay, so this is that one. Alright, so the second item that they sent me. Nuh-uh, just hold it for me. It's a wrap. I didn't screw the top on. Yeah, struggling. Alright, so this is the second item. It's a serum. It's rose hip and citrus. I like rose hip. I have some of that oil. So both these items are targeted towards hyperpigmentation, dark spots, because that's what I needed for my skin. So they made sure to send me something that will help for my skin type. And I will be reviewing this hopefully this week. I'll go ahead and be able to tell you after I use it. I plan on using it Monday. Today is Saturday night, so I'll come back on here and show you guys how it worked out. But yeah, so I'm gonna use that one and this one. But those are the 2 items. They don't have a card in here or anything, but I'll make sure to link their Instagram page so that you can find them. And they also have a Facebook page as well. So I just wanted to say thank you again for these 2 products that you sent me so that I can review them, and hopefully I can let you guys know how it goes. I have stuff all over me. Okay, thanks guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. And a cut.